God I found Dr. Rosenberg, because within a short period of time, he not only made me feel personally better, but his work was excellent. It made me smile again. It really truly made me smile again. And the prices are so reasonable that how could I go anywhere else, you know?
Dr. Rosenberg and his staff was absolutely fantastic. I came in for a filling on one of my teeth, and I feel ultimately more confident going out today.
I love the CEREC. I had a filling that for years gave me trouble. It was a tooth that I didn't take care of when I was a little kid, and so I had a very big cavity, and there was a huge hole in the tooth, and there was an enormous filling in there that never felt right. And then I got the CEREC, and the tooth has been great ever since. That was a year or two ago, and I'm going to have it my whole life.
Dr. Rosenberg gives every patient the gift of a brighter, healthier, more confident smile. Good dentistry is more than our excellent clinical skills and state-of-the-art technology. Establishing relationships with our patients based upon trust and communication is our hallmark. Our highly skilled team is completely dedicated to treating you and your family with the finest quality care. In our warm and caring atmosphere, you can achieve the benefits of a happy and healthy smile that you will enjoy for a lifetime.
Well, I configure this practice with the patient in mind. I want to be able to have a patient be comfortable when they come here, receive a level of care that's equivalent to their going to shop at Nordstrom's or to go to one of the five-star hotels, such as the Ritz-Carlton or Four Seasons. I want them to be greeted. I want them to feel as if they're in somebody's home. The second approach is really one of making sure that we have complete diagnosis. We want to really understand where the patient's coming from, not only their x-rays and medical history, which we review, but also their background. I spent 11 years on the staff at Memorial Sloan-Kettering Cancer Center and found that it was more important to understand the patient's social background and what they were going through so that we could meet them at that place. It's also important to be able to incorporate all the modern technology, but knowing that we've waited long enough for that technology to have a level of perfection. CEREC technology for making one-visit crowns has been around for now 21 years. 4.5 years ago, I decided to go forward and bring that into the office. We've had lasers in dentistry for more than 10 years. 3.5 years ago, we first brought the soft tissue laser, and with success with that, we've recently introduced the Biolase Waterlase MD, state-of-the-art, which came out 2 years ago, but has been an upgrade of the original. So we're able to do very, very different dentistry. For many of my patients, we're able to remove decay using the laser rather than using a conventional drill, so there's no vibration, nothing to disturb the patient other than a slight sound of popcorn.
I came in today because I had a slight cracked tooth, and I think my old filling was disintegrating. So Dr. Rosenberg used his new technology, laser, to remove all the filling. And what's more amazing was I had these sores, viral sores on my lower lip, and he just zapped them with laser and just burned them off. So I had a very, very positive experience today with Dr. Rosenberg.
My family and I have been coming to Dr. Rosenberg for 20 years. And that includes my mother-in-law. And we have come to him because we think he is highly skilled, highly professional, and just as important, he's very concerned about us and our welfare.
When you come here, you feel that you're home, and there's no place like home.
I've always felt very taken care of when I've come here, so I keep coming back.
The services that I have received so far have been extremely wonderful.
I recommend Dr. Rosenberg to everybody. I'm trying to bring my family from Philadelphia, so they come to New York to go to Dr. Rosenberg. I don't think there's a nicer, more up-to-date, better dentist that I have ever met or had the pleasure of being a patient of than Dr. Rosenberg. He really is the best, and I recommend him to anyone and everyone that I know. He's great.
great. I think he should be on stage too. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Instead of the, what do you call it, the Iron Chef, it could be the comedian, a dentist. He's wonderful. He makes you feel good. He makes you laugh. Especially, he does good work. The teeth don't fall out when you laugh. See, they didn't fall out.
I would recommend Dr. Rosenberg to everybody that I know. He's wonderful. I have wonderful experience so far using him, and his office staff is terrific.
I would highly recommend Dr. Rosenberg. I think one of the things that he does best is he makes sure you're comfortable at all points in time, and that's something that you normally don't find in a lot of dentists. They want to get you in there, get the work done over with quickly, and be on with their day. And I think his commitment to you is what you're looking for in a dentist.
For the first time in my life, I realized what it's like to be really taken care of as a patient, and seeing a sincere doctor, sincere dentist in this case.
You know, I see that you have some older silver fillings, and the dentist actually did a very good job. Those have been fine. My area of concern is that you have some brand new decay. So again, as we showed you last time, flossing will be absolutely important in taking care of those things. Again, we have some small fillings, and with the Waterlase, we'll be able to treat those without even the need for a shot in most of my patients. Luckily, you don't need any large restorations, and we can use either composite or do small CEREC inlays if you wish.
Yes, I came in here like 6 years ago, and my life was falling apart, and Dr. Simon put my life back together. He fixed my teeth, and I could never be happier in my life.
Well, I play basketball. I just graduated from Yale, and during my last season, I got into a little accident during a game. I got my front tooth doubled in, and after a root canal, I'm not having a cap put on it. My teeth started to turn a little gray. And after, a couple of months of it getting worse and worse, I decided to take some time off from coming back and playing basketball in Greece to get my tooth fixed. And I found Dr. Rosenberg through the internet and came in, and they managed to fit me in really fast and have literally a one-day turnaround from having a really gray and ugly tooth to, a smile that I'm proud of again. So I'm very happy with it, and I will definitely be back again.
And I'm very happy with my teeth and the care that I get from it. So it's my pleasure to be on camera here.
Just like to say thank you to Dr. Rosenberg and his staff. You guys are incredible, heartwarming, genuine people, and I love you guys. And thanks for helping me take even better care of my teeth. I'll see you in 6 months.
Thanks, Dr. Rosenberg.
I'm here, and I'm going to stay here.
Oh, you are the best in New York City.
So visit us at Dr. Simon Rosenberg's Prosthodontic and Cosmetic Dentistry. We'll give you something to smile about.